Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, we're going to be putting on that exhaust right there on the GT4. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in, wrap it up nice and tight so I can put it in the back and bring it up to my friend's shop so we can install it. I'm ready to hear it now. I'm gonna look at it first. This is nice. Oh.
All right, here we go. Close.
All right.
Open.
This exhaust sounds insane. It has the perfect note. And those are squeaky brakes. It has the perfect note. It doesn't sound obnoxious unless you really get on it. And I can valve it, I can valve it closed with, just the controller. And now it still has a good sound, but it doesn't sound super loud at all. You can drive through late at night and have a good old time. So yeah, I'll do final thoughts when I get back home and I'm not in the car, but this exhaust is freaking amazing. I'm super happy that I went through with it. And yeah, if you're looking for an exhaust, definitely hit up Valvetronic Designs, located in the Boston area, but they ship worldwide. And I will, of course, put links in the description. But let's go ahead and head back home, and I'll give my final thoughts on this new exhaust setup. It's like an inbuilt verbal tune without actually doing anything. Now let's just do a comparison, a quick pull with it closed. Just kidding. With it closed, so you can drive nice and spirited if you want in the middle of the night, and you don't have to worry about the red
noise complaints
and noise complaints. But daytime, you hit that button and you enjoy. So I know I said it before, but I'll say it again. Valvetronic Designs, you built one hell of an exhaust system. Alright, well, I gotta head back and do some work. I wonder if that's where the rest of my flight simulator stuff is. It's UPS now. have to have somebody go behind me, because I actually hope it's not. I'm not trying to melt the bumper, but if it is, well, I'll make sure I get it on video. I'll send some Dramamine to all of my subscribers, just in case I get a little seasick from this video. Because when I do this, Joshua loses the camera.
Stop! Stop!
You guys know that I absolutely loved my IP exhaust on the M3. You know what? If Valvetronic was around, not even just because it's a friend of mine, I would be repping their exhaust all day long. Go up on their channel, I'll put a link in the description. I know I've mentioned it probably 1,000 times. Go on their channel and you'll see this exhaust or similar exhaust on M3s, M4s, Porsches, Ferraris, everything. McLaren. They know how to make some damn good valve exhausts. So if you're thinking of getting something for your car, whatever it is, hit up Austin over at Valvetronic Designs. Tell them CoderMan sent you. And yeah, just have a hell of a time with your new exhaust. I ain't getting paid for this. In fact, I paid for this exhaust and installation. I'm giving my honest opinion on this, and I absolutely love it. So I'll do a more in-depth review, maybe while I'm not driving, screaming. And yeah, just hopefully you guys really enjoyed this. And I'm not going home, so I guess I'm not going home to do my final thoughts. My final thoughts are that this exhaust is absolutely amazing. I got half a tank of gas, and we're just gonna hit some back roads and have some good old fun.
Oh yeah.
So, as always, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks again to Valvetronic Designs and Farley over Eurotech for installing this. I'm super happy. Yeah, nothing else to say, so I'll catch you guys in the next video.